In this video, you will see how to repair a rotten deck. So on this deck, 80% of the joists and floorboard are rotten. So we have to remove all board and start afresh. Now this is something that you will see nowhere else except quality flooring until other persons start to follow. We use a tar-like adhesive under the board and screw it down to the concrete, and afterward we tar the sides of the board and also the top and also under the deck board. And what this does is to prevent moisture that form under the deck from rotting the board. Dated August 5th. We will give updates as we go further.